beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're new to this channel, please do watch, subscribe. For a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. On this channel, we'll create content about financial life, how to improve your financial life, how to make money online, and upscale your financial life. And we talk a lot on how to improve yourself as well. So if this seems like something that you would love to do or you love, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. So without wasting much of our time today, in this video we'll be talking about skills that you can learn and start making money online. Now I get a lot of comments that, okay, yes, I want to learn a skill, I'm ready to learn a skill, but I don't even know what to learn. I don't even know how to learn it. I don't know what to do about it. Now this is it. There are certain skills that are fit for you. There are some that are not fit for you. All you need to do is to identify the skills that are fit for you and the ones that you will do away with. I'll be listing out a few skills here right now. These skills can make you between $500 to $1,000 every month if you master it and work on it. Now here is a warning. Some of you will just pick like 5 to 10 skills and you feel, yes, if I learn this, learn that, I'll make it in life. It doesn't work that way. If you want to master a skill, master a skill. Be an authority in that field now. If that is what you want to do, do it. Choose one skill. Don't go and be choosing 4 or 5 skills. 4 or 5 skills for what? Let people know that this is what you do. This is what you can handle. Let them come to you. Let them ask you questions. Do research. Go make inquiries about it. Spend money on yourself. Build your personal life. Build your skillful life as well. And the first skill I'll be talking about is proofreading and editing. Proofreading and editing, a lot of people do not know that it is a skill actually for you to be able to write an article, proofread it, and edit. So let's just say the first one is writing. So writing now, if you're a graduate of English, this is your field. If you're a graduate of literature, this is your field. If you're from any of the social sciences course, this is for you. If you're an arts student, this is for you. Writing is your thing. You can go online, learn more about how to become a good writer. Now, don't just become a writer. Choose a niche. Choose a field. You understand? We have people that write long articles. We have people that write short articles. We have ghostwriters. If you know that you are the type that can write notes for people, just go for ghostwriting. If you are a creative mind and you are the type that can form things, do fictional whatever, form whatever you have in your brain, just go for script writing. You are the type that love to write short things, go for blog posts and articles. Read more about it, browse more about it, go to Neraland, Ninja Forum. There are a lot of forums that you can make inquiries on. Go on Facebook, browse about it. Use Chrome browser. Use that your phone that you have. Use it, browse about it. Work more on your personal self. Work more on this skill if it is what you have. The next one is video editing. Video editing. If you are the type that likes to face the camera, if you are the type that likes to see things transform, things change, just go and learn more about video editing. Yes, if you are looking for a free app that you can use, maybe you are thinking it's expensive, download CapCut, download InShot, download Filmora. Explore those websites. Give yourself time to grow. Give yourself time to learn it. If you are looking for a free website to learn the skills, go to mindluster.com. Digital Divine MD is also there to teach you for free. The next thing is graphic design. If you are the type that can hold a pen or a pencil and just be drawing or anything, if you are the type, I see a lot of artists out there, you'll be drawing on a cardboard, you'll be displaying it, people are not buying it. Go on Canva, explore their design website. Go on Fiverr or Upwork. You have side gig as well. Go on those websites, put up your gig. Try and put up gig every day for at least 2 months. I'm telling you, if you do this consistently on those websites, there is no way you will not get someone or you will not see a client that will message you. You understand? Don't just sit down there, be drawing, and nobody is patronizing you or doing anything. If you are the type that likes to write quotes, Write code, go and sell it online. There are a lot of websites where they do, okay, we have Printify where you can go and print anything on whatever you have it, on a cup, on a mug, on a t-shirt, for wallpapers, for anything. Research about it. I'm trying to tell you, there are some certain fields that are meant for you. There are some that are not meant for you. Not all fields are your field. You understand? If you are the type that likes sitting at the front of the camera doing kish, 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 recording yourself, just recording yourself. Some of you just record yourself playing around. Some just be doing videos unnecessarily. This thing you are wasting. Start content, become a content creator. These are things that people are using to bank in millions of naira. It might not be instant. It might not be in 2 years or 3 years even. But it is a business model that people are building, people are working on. You understand? Start creating content. Drop the camera, drop the video, drop the ring light and start doing something. Even if you like to cook, just on your camera, even if it is not clear. On the camera, record your process. Use CapCut or Filmora, edit it and upload. Do this consistently. You can be doing it once in a week. Consistently and be uploading. Now, let me tell you something. I was watching a video about a man. I've forgotten his name, but he's a preacher, a teacher, a gospel minister. The man said, the only difference between you and 10 years is owning the camera. Turn on the camera. Turn on the camera, give yourself time to grow. And in the next 10 years, you definitely have a testimony. You have good things to say. You will not regret it. Now, these are things that you need to work more on yourself. As a content creator, I know people will tell you that, no, you have to start big. You need a big flashlight. You need a big... If you don't have a ring light, no problem. Carry your camera. Go to a building that is, halfway done or completed and the gate is there. Put your phone by the gate of the building. Use natural sunlight to record yourself. Go home, go and edit. The next day, come again, do the same thing. Change your clothes. Do the same thing. Use natural sunlight. Record and go home and edit. Fine, if you have small money, you can get a ring light, get maybe a tripod stand and all of that. Or if you don't, you can start at any time. Start at any point. When I started my YouTube, I was using a broken phone. But I still kept on pushing. I developed the interest. I worked on myself. These are not skills that you develop in a day. This thing is not something of interest that you develop in a day. Nobody says you will not get tired. Even your 9-to-5 job. Sometimes you wake up and you don't feel like going out. You don't feel like going to work. Even your 9-to-5 job. But here is the good thing. You will see results. The more you push, you will see results. So guys, let me know what you think about all these skills. If your line of work is quite different from the ones I've listed, you understand, state it in the next section. I will think of a skill that you can learn that will actually help you improve your life and work more on yourself. Believe you me, if you are learning a skill, you also need to invest in yourself. You understand? The fact that I said you will find free website that will train you doesn't mean they will give you everything you need. You understand? You need to do the research yourself, work more on yourself. So guys, not wasting much of our time. Let me know your skill. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know what you do for a living in the comment section. Let me know what you do. If you are a barber, if you are a tailor, if you are a welder, anything you're doing, let me know what you do in the comment section. And I'll be able to suggest something relating to your field or something that you'll be able to develop passion for, being in the same line. So without wasting much of our time, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, like this video and share. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.